Okay, so we're looking at the 2019 Lincoln Navigator Reserve. First, let me say that there's nothing that I could do or say here that could possibly live up to what this vehicle is, because I feel so privileged to even be here and to driven it over here and to be able to take this video. It's just an incredible combination of engineering. Certainly I have a respect for that, but also style and art. So I'm just going to do a quick sort of visual walk around. And I've left it running, you can hear, but the engine, very quiet. It's a 3.5 V6 twin turbo engine. Backside there. I'm over at the Hagen again, that's why you're hearing the baskets in the background. I like it over here, it's a little more peaceful. Here in Burlington, Washington. So this is sitting at an MSRP of about $91,000. Alright. Let's look at the inside here. So beautiful. So I'm going to highlight some of the controls here. I got in earlier because I was trying to familiarize myself. It's the first time I've driven one. Trying to familiarize myself with all the controls in the vehicles and all of that. And one of the buttons that I was messing with over here, these are the seat controls. So you can set the point for the seating, steering wheel, and so on through different people. But then also sort of these buttons right here at the top, those are massager buttons. And so the massager, I had it on the whole time I was over here. I drove over here. It only takes about 5-10 minutes to get over here from the dealership, but it's pretty nice. And I can imagine, if you're on a very long drive, which we've all been on before, that massager is very nice. You can see it's on the passenger side too as well. And it's locked. See the back side? Definitely ready for the guests that you bring along, whether family members or friends, co-workers. As you look inside, it's kind of a better angle to see the panoramic moonroof. Slides all the way back. You have climate controls, stereo controls for the rear. So auxiliary power ports back there. See the center console. And I'm going to maybe move that forward a little bit. And sorry about the mats being in the way, but you want to get a good visual of the back. And I don't know if you saw that, but pretty effortless in terms of getting the seat forward. It's just that button that's right there. Push that button and the seat comes up, and then you just move it forward. So pretty simple. And then just, moving it back. And this is where, that's for the, okay. That's how it goes down. There we go. Okay. So all the buttons for the rear hatches are always, the lift gates, are always in different spots, it seems like. I haven't popped this up yet. License plate holder. See the cargo space that's there. And let's look to see what's under here. Why not? So I haven't done this yet. Oh, I see. Oh, wow. A cargo net. Oh, wow. Jack. Okay. That's how that works. That's pretty neat. Sits in there. Very nice. And more power jacks back here. USB and 12 volt. Okay. Let's move that back. And I think I'll open the passenger side, I suppose, so you can at least see it from that view. Running boards come out and they greet you. Makes it easier to climb in, of course, to enter. And I really like the two-tone kind of coloring in the wood. And there's lots of shine and gloss. And how the screen and navigation, audio, climate control screen, and so on for your apps as well. So how it pops out from the dash. Very nice, very convenient, very easy to use and to get access to while you're driving. So if you get a close-up visual of the sticker here. If you're interested in that. Okay. I really love how the Lincoln Star, I mean the grille itself is just phenomenal on the new Lincolns. LED lights, all the sensors down there of course, but I mean just look at that grille. Just look at that grille. So in the center and the bottom, the pedestal kind of brings out the Lincoln Star, and then the grille itself, I guess the slots or the grooves are in the same shape as the Lincoln Star. I'm not an artist, so I don't know all the formal words, but I mean it's just elegant how it plays on your eyes, and it's beautiful. Okay, so let's go ahead and come on in from the cockpit, from the driver's perspective. You can see here we have eyeglass holder. There's also this little drop-down kind of mirror, so you can check out the kids in the back, make sure they're doing well. Okay, buttons for lights, cabin lights, for the panoramic moonroof, and for its cover. And so the screen, you have climate control, heated and cooling seats. So my seat is, on the first level. You can change it, third level. That's going to get hot here pretty soon. Steering wheel is heated, and it's pretty easy to access. So steering wheel right there, you just turn it on, turn it off, boom. Okay, and you can go navigation, loads up the whole map. Okay, this has trailer backup assist, which helps you drive the trailer. Brake assist for towing. And you can see steering wheel controls here, the door panel, lights, lighting, windshield wipers, blah, blah, blah. Little sport shifters that are there. Okay, and the transmission shift is right here. So you have park. I love the push button. And I think probably nearly every vehicle in 10 years is going to have a push button transmission. So park, reserve, neutral, park, reverse, neutral, and then drive. And then you have your stereo controls. And again, I got in trouble by YouTube for turning on the stereo in one of my videos because it was a copyrighted song. So I don't want to do that, but just know that this Revel Ultima stereo system will blow you away. It sounds so wonderful. Some more of the seating. I really like the center console here. This just lifts up, and there's the buttons on both sides, so passenger and driver can open it. And that's my bottle of water, Dwayne Lane, bottle of water. And just looking into the back, lots of wonderful room. It's very beautiful, very just gorgeous. Look at the speakers, man, and the tweeters. Yeah, I really wish I could turn on the stereo, but who knows what it could be there. Okay. Alright. Much as I hate to stop this video, I still get to drive it back. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And that seat is definitely warming up. Okay. Okay, you guys, signing off. Chad, Dwayne Lane in Burlington, Washington. And come out and see us. Give me a call, 253-306-7625. Come out for a test drive. And we're the good guys. We will definitely help you out. Okay. Bye-bye.